Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be doing a 30-minute Captain Marvel challenge. So what I'm going to be doing is just trying to draw my very own Captain Marvel, and I've only given myself 30 minutes. Now, usually when I do a drawing like this, I like to take a lot more time than that, but I figured it would be a challenge. So let's see how well I do. And here is my completed Captain Marvel drawing. So I went ahead and stopped the recording and just inked real quick so that way you guys could see it a little bit better on the camera. And I actually think it turned out pretty good. There were a couple things as I was inking that I realized that, you know, my proportions were off a little bit, and things that I would want to change in it. But overall, for 30 minutes, I think it actually turned out pretty good. Now, I'm going to be doing a video a little bit later where I give myself a 30-minute coloring challenge where I'm going to take this Captain Marvel and I'm going to drop her into Photoshop, and I'm only going to give myself 30 minutes to change any of the proportions that I need to change, but then also to do any coloring. So I'm not just going to be doing basic color. I'm going to be doing everything from the base color to shadows to highlights and just the complete package that is involved with my coloring process. So if you like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button and comment. Let us know what you think. You know, if you have any suggestions for our next challenge, then go right ahead and give us your input. And subscribe if you want to see more art challenges and how to draw videos. And be on the lookout for the next challenge, which will be the 30-minute color Captain Marvel challenge. So I should have that out within the next couple days, so you shouldn't have to wait too long for it. So keep a lookout for it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. We'll see you next time.